My friend Kelly made a brand new bee vac system for John. There's the cage for it. Empty now. He did his first job today by himself, totally. And the customer brought him back here, and here's his hive of bees he put together. A big wall full of bees. In a horse barn. I just got home. It's a big storm up there. You can hear it rumbling. It's got them all a little worried. And see, they're trying to rob my truck, of course. Here we are, fall. There's one with queen in it. It's going to be their new hive. Same little door. It's hard to open. Here's what they look like inside. They're really on these frames real well. See, they're taking care of them. Frames in there. I've got 2 cages. John had the other 2. The new system and one of my old ones. It's pretty pretty. Very good brood pattern. They're all at the top, of course, because that's where the queen is. Oh, maybe there. Big clump right there. 7, 8, 9. That's the magic 9. 9 frames. Here comes mine. Spotter. Once in a while I'm lucky and spot the queen. Of course you can imagine that's once in a while. This was the same as John's, a wall, so I know I got her because I got all of the bees. And all the returning bees after lunch. So get this other cage over here. These are the after lunch ones. Put them in. And I get to take a break. Yay.